It's hard to grow on YouTube, and that's not a secret. Right now, these are the subscribers that we have, but they are not all from YouTube. I have a platform that I use to send traffic from there into this YouTube channel. I figured out that if I rely on YouTube alone to get views, I will not achieve my goals. Because YouTube is unpredictable and YouTube is dynamic. You can get more views this week and the next week, 0 views. So I found a platform that I use which is more predictable and easier to grow than YouTube. So the platform I use is Facebook. Yes, Facebook. I know most people underrate Facebook. They think it's just an application for old people. But Facebook, I can tell you, it's the best decision you can make starting a platform on Facebook. It's the best decision. For example, I want you to see this page, Mastering Manhood. It has posted only 22 minutes ago, but they're having 220 likes. Do you know how many views this post has gotten to have 220? I can estimate for you. For a page, my page, getting 220 likes, that post means it has gotten to almost 14k views and almost 7,000 interactions or engagement. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Maybe you don't understand it. For example, this is my post that I posted 1 day ago. And you can see it's only having 88 likes. So I'm going to show you how many views this post has gotten and how many engagement. Most people, they just see 88 likes, then they think that this is nothing, 88 people. But I should show you the insights and the analytics of this post. You see, this post has gotten 11,000 views. Only this post, 11,000 views. On YouTube, you can say this video has gotten 11,000 views, but it's a post. And it's easy. Just think of it. A post getting 11,000 views that you can write in maybe 10 seconds. Think about the power of that. Unlike YouTube, you struggle 1 week creating 1 video only to get 200 views. But you can replicate this. You can scale this. 1 post getting 11,000 views. What about 2 posts, 3 posts, 5 posts? 1 post getting 11,000 views that I can write in 10 seconds. The engagement, this is just an estimation. Almost 2k engagement. That means 1 post, you can be sending 2,000 people from Facebook to YouTube. And with this traffic model, I call it traffic model, it's easier to grow on YouTube, on any platform. Another post, this one has gotten 73 likes, but let me show the insights. That's 8,000 views, 2,000 engagement. Another one, I just say normalize lying to women. That's it, 240 likes, 38,000 views. A post with 3 words and almost 3,000 engagement. Do you see the power of Facebook that I'm talking about? And if you are not posting on Facebook, I just want you to know that you are missing out. So before you get excited, I just want you to know that it's not easy to reach this stage. But I'm going to show you step by step on how you can replicate these results. So make sure you subscribe, because this is just the first episode in a series of videos that I'll be creating. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything that I know. I'm not going to hide anything. I'm not a guru. I'm not going to sell you anything. This is just pure value. So make sure you subscribe. And before you go, I just want you to know that those results that I'm getting there, 38k views, 80k views, 200k views, I only have 15k followers on this page. What about the other pages that I run? Because I run tons of pages, as you can see. These pages are getting 54 notifications, 24 notifications, 11 notifications. That means there is engagement there. So I'm going to show you guys everything step by step. Make sure you subscribe. I'm going to see you guys in the second episode.